boys and girls. Today we're going to work on solving some problems again. So we're going to go through this slide together and see how we need to solve problems. So when we are looking at word problems, there are different steps we have to take. First of all, we're going to read or listen to the story. Then we're going to read the question. What is it that we need to find out? Then we are going to figure out what numbers we need to use to solve. And last, we're going to solve our problem. So let's look at this first one. I have 2 astronauts were in the rocket. 3 astronauts were on Earth. How many astronauts were there all together? So let's go through the steps. What was the story about? This story was about astronauts. The second thing, what do I need to find out? I needed to find out how many astronauts did I have in all? And what do the numbers mean? I had 2 astronauts on the rocket, and I had 3 astronauts that were on Earth. So 2 on the rocket and 3 on Earth. That means I'm going to put all the astronauts together. How many do I have? Now I can solve. So I had 2 astronauts plus 3 astronauts gives me 5 astronauts all together. There were 5 astronauts on the moon. 1 astronaut climbed back into the rocket. How many astronauts were left on the moon? This one is a subtraction problem because one of them left. Right here, this word right here lets us know. All right, let's go through our steps. So we read the problem. We're talking about astronauts on the moon. We need to find out how many are still on the moon. So 5 were on the moon. 1 went back to the rocket. How many astronauts are still on the moon? So count them. How many do you see there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are still 4 astronauts left on the moon. Now we can solve it. 5 minus 1 equals 4.